Welcome students. In the last video I told you how to create a package and how to utilize its members. And in this video I am going to continue my discussion with how to make a sub package inside a package that you have already created. So in my last video I created a package named dimension. Okay, so I am going to continue with that package only, and I am going to make a sub package inside that dimension package and utilize its members. So I made that package inside the side packages folder. So I am going to that location on my system. You will have to go to the location where your side packages folder is present, and you know that side packages folder, how to find the path, that I have already told you. Okay, so my side packages folder is present within lib, and I found my side packages folder. So see, dimension is the package that I made in the last video. So I am going to make a sub package package this time. So I am going to go inside this folder and create a new folder here, which will be my sub package. Okay, and I am naming it as sub underscore dimension. So this is the name of my sub package. Okay, now अब हमको इसको भी पैकेज बनाना है. Although it is a sub package, but it is a package, right? तो इसके लिए हमें इसके अंदर भी कुछ मॉड्यूल्स रखने पड़ेंगे और इसके अंदर init underscore वाली स्पेशल फाइल भी रखनी पड़ेगी in order to make it a package. Okay, so my folder is ready. Now I can minimize this window and I can continue with my idle. So I came here and I am making a file here. So new file is there, and within this file I am making a module, okay, which will calculate perimeter. So I am making functions related to perimeter. So peri, keeping the name as peri underscore rect. Okay, so this will calculate the perimeter of rectangle. So I need length and breadth, and return 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, so this much I have done. Now if you want, you can make one more function, but I am restricting to just one function here, and I am saving this file. Again, where I have to save this file, this is very important. Save as. This time you have to save this file within the dimension folder, dimension package, and within dimension package उसके अंदर हमारा सब dimension है, उसके अंदर हमें इसको store करना है. तो I go inside lib folder, then I go inside side packages, and then I go inside dimension, and within dimension I go inside sub dimension. Okay, so here I am going to save this file calc by the name calc underscore peri. Okay, so this is the module that I wanted to make inside the sub package, and now I am storing the special file underscore init underscore file. ठीक है, in order to make it a package again. So I am saving this file by the name underscore init underscore, and where, see, it is there inside sub dimension. क्योंकि मुझे सब डायमेंशन को पैकेज बनाना है, इसलिए मैंने इसको यहाँ पे सेव किया. And now my sub dimension is also ready. Sub dimension package is also ready. Now what I am going to do, I am going to utilize this package. So you know that it is a sub package. So see how you are going to utilize it. Import dimension. You know dimension is the main package within which we have sub dimension package. यहाँ पे हायरार्की थोड़ी और मल्टीपल लेवल्स की हो गई है. सब डायमेंशन, एंड विद इन सब डायमेंशन आई हैव द मॉड्यूल calc_Perry. Okay, and within this module I have the function which I have to utilize. तो मुझे इतना इसको मतलब import करना पड़ेगा. Then only we will be able to use the functions which are there inside this calc_Perry module. Okay, so how I'm going to use it? See, print and then इसको देखो एक्सेस फंक्शन को एक्सेस करने के लिए आपको ये इतना पूरा पाथ लेना पड़ेगा. आई एम कॉपिंग इट फ्रॉम हियर एंड आई एम पेस्टिंग इट हियर, एंड आफ्टर दिस आई विल इन्वोक द फंक्शन. सो द फंक्शन वाज Perry _ rect. This was the name of my function, and I am passing the values to it, length and breadth. See, this is how I am going to call this. Sub dimension folder package के अंदर sub dimension package है, which is the sub package, और उस sub package के अंदर एक module है whose name is calc_Perry, और उस calc_Perry module के अंदर function है Perry _ rect. So this is how I am going to call it. So let me save it. कहाँ इसको सेव करेंगे? It will be saved not inside this sub dimension package. Okay, I will save it in the folder where normal.py files are stored. Okay, so for this I am going in the folder, this one. Okay, so let me just enter my Python 3832 folder. Within this folder I am going to save my file. So I am naming it as test3. ठीक है, सेव कर दीजिए. Now here, now you are ready to run it. F5 and see, you are getting the answer for the perimeter. So this is how you are going to utilize the member of a sub package. Clear? तो sub package में कुछ नया नहीं करना था. You have to simply create a folder inside already created package, और फिर procedure बिल्कुल same है. But remember the way to access the members of that sub package, क्योंकि जितना deep आपकी हायरार्की जाएगी उतना ही आपको ध्यान से मेंबर को एक्सेस करना है. सो you saw here that first of all I access dimension package, then I access sub dimension, then I access calc_Perry, and within calc_Perry I found my function. तो अगर आप इस तरीके से नहीं इन्वोक करेंगे तो आपको एरर आएगी. So I hope you must be clear about how to create a sub package and how to utilize its members. If you have any doubt you can ask. Otherwise, thank you so much.